Dear learners, today, the focus of my presentation is concept of educational technology. Let us first try to understand what is educational technology. Educational technology, ET, is a dynamic and interdisciplinary field that leverages technological tools and resources to enhance the teaching and learning process. It encompasses a broad range of technologies and strategies designed to improve educational outcomes, promote engagement, and facilitate efficient knowledge transfer. In this detailed exploration, we delve into the core concepts of educational technology, highlighting its components, principles, and real world examples. Components of educational technology: 1. Hardware and software. Example: interactive whiteboards. Description: interactive whiteboards combine hardware and software to create an interactive learning environment. Teachers can use touch-sensitive surfaces to engage students, annotate lessons, and collaborate in real time. 2. Digital content. Example: e-books and online resources. Description: educational technology involves the creation and distribution of digital content, such as e-books and online resources, providing students with dynamic and interactive learning materials. 3. Communication tools. Example: video conferencing platforms. Description: communication tools facilitate virtual classrooms, allowing educators to conduct live sessions, engage with students remotely, and foster collaborative discussions. 2. Learning management systems, LMS. Example: Moodle, Canvas. Description: LMS platforms streamline educational administration, providing a centralized hub for course content, assignments, assessments, and communication. 5. Multimedia tools. Example: podcasts, videos. Description: multimedia tools enhance the learning experience by incorporating audio, video, and interactive elements into lessons, catering to diverse learning styles. 6. Adaptive learning systems. Example: Khan Academy, Smart Sparrow. Description: adaptive learning systems use algorithms to personalize learning experiences, adjusting content based on individual student performance and understanding. Principles of educational technology. 1. Integration with pedagogy. Example: flipped classroom model. Description: the flipped classroom model involves students engaging with instructional content at home through digital resources, allowing classroom time for interactive discussions, collaborative activities, and problem solving. 2. Active learning. Example: gamification. Description: gamification incorporates game elements into educational activities, motivating students through challenges, rewards, and a sense of achievement. 3. Assessment and feedback. Example: online quizzes and immediate feedback. Description: educational technology facilitates real-time assessment through online quizzes, providing immediate feedback to students and allowing educators to track progress effectively. 4. Accessibility and inclusivity. Example: screen readers and closed captions. Description: educational technology prioritizes accessibility, with tools like screen readers and closed captions ensuring that content is inclusive for students with diverse needs. 5. Collaboration and communication. Example: collaborative online documents. Description: online collaborative platforms enable students to work together on projects, fostering communication, teamwork, and shared knowledge creation. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shokin Bilal.